Mumbai, the city that never sleeps, with an unwavering commitment to cleanliness. Introducing BMC's Debris on Call, a fast, hassle-free way to keep your streets spotless, one call at a time. Residents of the western suburbs can now dispose of construction and demolition waste with just a phone call or a few taps on the app. Got debris? Call or click and we'll take care of the rest. Our team will guide you through every step, ensuring a smooth and effortless process. Simply upload photos through the app named BMC C&D, Western Suburb, or call our toll-free number, and we'll send a representative to assess the site. Once your request is submitted, it goes straight to the BMC officer for inspection and approval. Once approved by BMC officer, making a payment is quick and convenient via the app or in person with a receipt for your records. Next, our vehicles are dispatched immediately. Ensuring debris is cleared without delay. We track the waste from collection to scientific disposal, guaranteeing complete transparency. At our processing facility, the debris is weighed, documented and treated. Our misting system effectively controls dust, ensuring a cleaner and safer site through a 5-step process. Feeding, size reduction, washing and scrubbing, resource recovery, water recovery. Every step ensures a cleaner, greener Mumbai. Together, we are making a difference. One call, one action at a time. Debris on Call, a BMC initiative, keeping Mumbai cleaner, smarter and more sustainable.